Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to change the distance and speed units from kilometers to miles or vice versa. So all the settings here will change. I'm in Canada, this is in kilometers, and now I will change everything to miles. This video applies to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023, and Jeep Cherokee is equipped with this smaller screen. If you have a higher trim level with a big screen, then it will be pretty much similar, but you'll have to find the option I'm about to show you in your menu. To start, press the settings button and then select display on the top. And here you will have the units. You want to select the units, and you can choose between US and metric. If you select US, you will see here everything changes to miles, right? So if you go through the menu options, let me find something that applies actually to the distance. Okay, you can see the fuel economy, everything is in miles per gallon. And if I switch back to metric, you will see everything changes to kilometers and liters per 100 kilometer. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.